Hey, what's going on, people? It's you with Crypto Gems, and today we'll learn how to use Bitsgap Trading Bots. We'll see what are the advantages of using these bots and how these bots work. Please check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, let's get started. So basically, these are AI bots, and they let you create passive income regardless of the trend. And since crypto markets are very volatile, they provide you with a lot of opportunities to make trades. So basically, Bitsgap have two bots, and first is S-bot and second is Classic bot. We'll discuss them in a couple of minutes, and they'll let you use like features like take profit, trading stop, and stop loss. Now, the main advantage of using these bots is that it lets you create passive income. So there's very less time that you have to spend in front of the screen, and you can manage all your trades on different exchanges on a single platform. Well, first of all, you need to create an account on Bitsgap. So you sign up using your email and then log in. So when you log in, you'll see something like this on your screen, and then you head over to bots and you will see a dashboard with price chart and then bots configuration column and active bots over here. So as you can see, I don't have any active bots right now, so I have nothing here. And you will also see recommended strategies based on back-tested results. So as we look at the chart, which we can easily zoom in and zoom out to better understand the price action of the cryptocurrency. And we can also perform technical analysis on that using the instruments over here. So you can see the tools over here that we have: trend line, horizontal line. We have Fibonacci extensions. You can draw anything that you want. And you can also click like draw support and resistance levels, also draw patterns like triangles and stuff like that. So the next step is to create a new bot. You can either select S-bot or Classic bot. So the Classic bot buys the same amount of cryptocurrency at each level, whereas S-bot buys different amount of cryptocurrency at each level, but it ensures the equal distribution of the investment. So I'm on a demo account right now, and I also recommend other people to use demo account first and practice with it. And to switch from demo to live and vice versa, you click your avatar here on top right-hand corner, and you will see an option over here. All right. Now you have to connect your exchange to the Bitsgap. So, and to do that, this is how you do it. And I will put this link in the description. And for this example, I'm going to use Binance. And if you don't already have an account on Binance, please check out the link in the description for that too. The next section is the pair. We will use Bitcoin USDT pair for this example. And if you don't know which pair you want to trade, just scroll down and you will see a list of recommended strategies based on backtested results. Now let's go and configure our automated trading bot. So first of all, you will have to define a trading range. This is the range that you will allow your trades to take place. And to do that, you can just drag these things up and down and it will just define your range, or you can enter the price over here. So the green zone is the buy zone and the red zone is the sell zone. And based on the width of your buy zone and sell zone, here you will see how much of your base currency is required and how much of your core currency is required. So for this example, let's narrow down the buy zone. So I will put 54,000 over here. And let's keep the width of the sell zone more, since as you can see, this is a trending market, right? So the main purpose of this automation is to keep generating profits with any market movement while you are offline. Now let's move on to grid levels. So what exactly is grid level? So the more grids that you have, the narrower will be the spacing between your orders. So the price difference between each order will narrow down as you increase the grids. For example, let's see, right now the grid step is 0.22 and grid level is 100. If you raise the grid level to 170, you can see that the grid step is reduced to 0.13. Okay. And grid levels also affect the investment. So also, you can adjust your investment allocation here. So the whatever amount that you would like to invest, you put in that amount here in USDT, and below that here you will see the exact investment distribution of your funds in your base currency and your core currency. Now let's say I increase the grid quantity to 100. You see the red box over here? It says that you don't have enough balance. So if you get this error, adjust your investment or your grids accordingly. So next, you just scroll down, click preview, and you confirm all the information and then confirm. After that, you will see your bot in here, spot bots or active bots. To get more information, you can click this option and it will show all the orders that it executed. Now, let's move on to the pricing of Bitsgap. So if you want to try, so for they have 7-day free trial for all plans, and if you want to try them for 1 month, it's they have 3 plans. So basic is $29, advanced is $69, and pro is $149. So the basic difference between all 3 plans is that the basic plan have 2 active trading bots, advanced have 5, and pro have 20. Also, the advanced and pro have future bots and trading up and down for bots, and the pro has take profit for bots. And if you go to 6 months, you can save a little bit of money in that. So that is it for now. Today we learned about Bitsgap trading bots, how the bots work, and what are some key advantages of using this bots. So please check out the links in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.